Good morning students. Today we are going to learn the new activity. The name of the activity is wordplay, and under this activity we will learn two different activities which are related to words. The first is anagrams and the second is mother tongue or other tongue. So what is the meaning of anagram? What is the meaning of anagram? An anagram is a play on words which created by rearranging the letters of the original words to make a new word or phrase. Now listen it very carefully. Again I am explaining it. An anagram is a play on words. It's a play on words. Words वर असलेला असा एक तो खेळ आहे की ज्यामध्ये बाय रिअरेंज म्हणजे आपण वर खाली करत असतो ते बाय रिअरेंजिंग द लेटर्स ऑफ द ओरिजिनल वर्ड्स. ओरिजिनल म्हणजे मूळ, जे मूळ दिलेले असतात शब्द किंवा लेटर्स त्याला आपण रिअरेंज करतो, मागे पुढे करतो. अँड वर्ड्स टू मेक अ न्यू वर्ड और फ्रेज, त्यापासून आपण एक नवीन वर्ड तयार करतो किंवा नवीन फ्रेज आपण तयार करत असतो. एक एक्झाम्पल मी तुम्हाला देते. सपोज आय राईट हिअर नेट. आय एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ इट. नेट. How many letters are there? There are 3 letters N, E and T. How many letters are there? 3 letters N, E, T. Now we have to make anagram of using these 3 letters. Using these 3 letters. Suppose I write here E and T. So is it correct? No, it is not correct because it is not a meaningful word. It is not a new word. It is not a meaningful word and it is not a new word even though we use the same 3 letters, but the answer is wrong. Suppose I write here 10. Suppose I write here 10. 1, 2, 3. These 3 letters are used here. I use the same letters and frame a new word that is called as 10. Using the same letters I make a new word 10. This is the correct answer and it is called as an anagram. हे correct answer है. What is the rule of making an anagram? Whenever you are making an anagram, that time the same 3 letters or the same letters you have to use which are already used in that given word. It means that when the words you are going to use, there should not be more words or less words, and the word or the meaning which you are making, it should be meaningful. त्यातला जो शब्द तुम्ही बनवणार आहात तो अर्थपूर्ण असणं गरजेचं आहे आणि त्या शब्दामध्ये तेवढेच अल्फाबेट्स, तेवढेच लेटर्स आले पाहिजे जे आपण वापरलेले असतील. फॉर एक्झाम्पल आपण अजून एक वर्ड घेऊयात, टीम. TEAM. How many letters are there? There are 4 letters. TEAM. How many letters are there? There are 4 letters, and using these 4 letters we are going to make a new word that is called as an anagram. Suppose I write here mate, then this one is the correct answer because mate we have used here 4 letters which are used in the original word, and mate has its meaning. It's a meaningful word. Suppose I write here TEMA, tema. So then this one is wrong answer because even though I used here 4 letters, but it doesn't have any kind of meaning. This word doesn't have any kind of meaning, so it is not the correct answer. So whenever you are you are making an anagram, that time you have to make the same letters, you have to use the same letters, and the word should be meaningful. आले लक्षात? तेच लेटर्सचा वापर करायचा जेवढे लेटर्स त्या वर्डमध्ये दिलेले असतील, आणि सेकंड थिंग तो वर्ड हा मिनिंगफुल असला पाहिजे. ओके, दिस इज द ॲक्टिव्हिटी विच इज व्हेरी इझी. अँड द नेक्स्ट ॲक्टिव्हिटी वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न इज मदर टंग और अदर टंग. सो सी, लुक ॲट हिअर. आय हॅव मेड 3 पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस टेबल. मी या टेबलचे 3 पार्ट्स केलेले आहेत, 3 डिफरंट पार्ट्स. First is word, second is meaning in English, and third is meaning in Marathi. So today we are going to learn this different activity. What is the meaning of mother tongue or other tongue? Mother tongue means the language which we use in our mother tongue. आपल्या मातृभाषेत जी बोलतो ती भाषा असते mother tongue. and other tongue म्हणजे दुसऱ्या भाषेमध्ये, मग whether it will be, it is in Hindi, it is in English. So what is the meaning of mother tongue or other tongue activity? That there are some words in English which sound like words in our mother tongue, but if we consider the meaning and use, they look very different, they are totally different. So we are going to learn this and see how we are going to use this activity, how we are going to use all these words in our day-to-day life. Suppose I write here the word rose. Suppose I write here the word rose. What is the meaning of rose in English? It is a kind of flower. It is a kind of flower की एक फुलाचा प्रकार असतो, हा इंग्लिशमध्ये मिनिंग आहे. बट सपोज आय यूज द वर्ड इन मराठी, दॅट टाइम इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज डेली. इट इज दररोज आपण त्याला म्हणतो की जो शब्द आपण दररोज किंवा मी रोज देवाला नमस्कार करते, तर रोज हा जो शब्द आहे या ठिकाणी टोटली डिफरंट आहे आणि इंग्लिशमध्ये इट हॅज डिफरंट मिनिंग. इट मीन्स दॅट देर आर सो मेनी वर्ड्स इन इंग्लिश विच साऊंड लाईक वर्ड्स in our mother tongue, but if we consider the meaning or use, they are totally different altogether. Now I'll give you the second example. Suppose I say boat. Suppose I say boat. What is the meaning of boat in English? It is a kind of ship, किंवा आपण त्याला एक बोट, नाव म्हणूया किंवा जहाज म्हणूया. अ काइंड ऑफ शिप. आपण एक छोटासा वर्ड तुम्हाला कळावं म्हणून इथे मी लिहिते जहाज, शिप, किंवा आपण त्याला एक शिपचाच असलेला एक प्रकार आहे इंग्लिशमध्ये. बट व्हॉट इज द मिनिंग ऑफ बोट? बोट इज फिंगर. बोट इज फिंगर इन मराठी. सो these are the different words which we use in our mother tongue and which are used in other languages also. So today we learned anagrams and mother tongue and other tongue, these two different activities. You have to try to write down 10 examples of anagrams and 10 examples of mother tongue and other tongue. Okay, thank you.